Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be a Zara try on haul. So I got a huge package from Zara. I already took them out because I was trying them on, and I'll insert a video. So anyways, first things first is this bodysuit. I mean, come on, like this bodysuit from Zara is really nice. I'm wearing it right now, and I'm also wearing the these pants from Zara. I don't know what they called, but yeah, there's no name. I'm just gonna try to how do you call this? I'm gonna try to find the exact pants and the link so I can put it on my description box for you guys. So you guys, these pants are so comfortable. It fits really good on my body. Like, I love these little details right here. And the only thing I don't like is it doesn't have a pocket. It just have a fake pocket. So that's the only thing I don't like about this pants. It doesn't have a pocket. But I got this on a size large. The two pants that I got is the size large. The dresses and the tops are size medium. I went on large size for the pants because how do you call this? I don't want to return it, and I'm not sure about like my actual size. So thank God I went for large because it's really high-waisted, and I don't know, it's really good. But I got the color, I believe, nude white, something like that. So that's that, and the price is $39.90, so which is like almost 40, I'm sorry, almost $40. So the next one is gonna be, hold on, another bodysuit, and this is in the size medium, and this is $19.90. So you guys, I know I did a haul a couple weeks ago and I got the nude one, I got the black one, and I finally went out of my comfort zone, which is shocking, I know. This is baby blue, look like a pastel colors, and I don't know, I find it scary to style, or even, I don't know, to wear like colored ones, because I don't know if I'm gonna end up liking them. But this color, oh my goodness, this bodysuit as well, it's really soft, and it's only like what, 20 bucks, $19. So I got the blue one, and I was thinking about getting a purple one, but I don't know. But this is really cute, it's really soft as well. Okay, so speaking of the pants, I also got the one in black. You guys, these pants are so nice and comfortable. I was trying, because I saw one of my friend here on YouTube, I think Jazz. So I saw her, she was doing a haul, and she was trying this pants. I'm just like, I gotta find that exact pants that she was trying because it looks nice. And I also saw a lot of videos on TikTok, like Zara haul on TikTok, and I'm just like, they keep featuring this pants. So I was like, I gotta get it. So I have it on black as well. It's so nice, you guys. Oh my goodness, it fits really nice. Like I said, the only thing that bothers me that they don't have a real pocket. It only has that fake pocket. But for some reason in here, there's like a little tiny hole. I don't know, but yeah, there's no pocket. Like, that's not real pocket. It's only like a tiny, if I rip it off, no, I'm not gonna rip it off. But yeah, that's that. Can't wait to style this, especially we're transitioning to like fall, so I have like, you know, pants. Okay, so next is tops. I have like 3 tops here, and I don't know if it's just me, the Zara site, or not even the site, the model wearing Zara's tops, it's like you can barely see what the top look like. I just want to know who's doing, like, why Zara. The only thing is, I just want to see what the clothes look like on the model, like perfectly just, you know, standing, not like doing this like weird, I don't know, doing this weird like position. I mean, it's nice, but like I just want to see the clothing look like on the model, not like this weird like doing this poses, like it's, I don't know, it's weird. So I got this black crop top, and I got the size medium. It is $19.90. This is a little expensive, but I really like the V, like a really long V-neck, you guys. It's so nice. And see, this is the thing, I didn't know that it has like this sheer, would say, lace on the bottom, because when I was looking in the website, I didn't say anything because the model, the way the model posed was just like this, and I don't know, it's so weird. So I mean, it's not, it's okay, you know, I don't mind, but it has lace in the bottom. So yeah, that is that. So cute. Our next one is these. I've seen a lot of people wearing these. I think the nude and the black one is like sold out, so I got the green instead, and it's a really cute top for summer. It's still hot. Well, where I live right now, it's like hot, rainy, so I don't even know what anymore. But this is a nice cute top, and I got the color green. Shocking. So I got the color green, and it's so nice. It has like this little how do you call it, strings in the side. So yeah, it's that. And I got the size medium. All of the tops and dresses are medium. The only large is the pants. So the last top I got from Zara is this yeah, this one, this crop top, and I got the size medium. Like I said, it's really nice. It's like a rib I would say tank top. It's really nice and comfy, you guys. I think I got the white one, I think, when I went to shopping at Zara last 3 weeks ago. But yeah, I got the brown one too, and this is $12.90. Okay, so next one is this dress, and I got here the, I would say, rib crunch dress. So it's really nice, you guys, and it's really sexy as well. It looks simple, but it's sexy because inside each side has a slit, and it's like a long slit, and it has this little string where you can like tie it. But it's really nice. I like the material of this one. Really nice. And of course, I gotta have it on nude, so I also got it on nude here. It's really freaking nice. I don't know, I love Zara, and I think you can actually wear this up or wear this down. I think I'm planning to wear this today. I think I'm gonna wear like the sneakers, like my Nike sneakers, with like, I will pair it with my Prada bag, and it's like I don't know, it's like a look, street style look with my shades from Amazon. But yeah, it's really nice. And also you can pair this with heels, like a night of like date night. You can pair this with heels. These both are amazing. I like the quality. It's really thick, and the price is a little bit pricey for a dress. It's $29.90 right there. And like I said, I got the size medium. Everything is on size medium. So that is all for this video, you guys. I'm gonna try to find the exact same link if you guys are interested, and I'm gonna put it on my description box below so you guys can check it out. So yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video.